Alright, YouTube, check it out. Get a little closer for y'all. We got a package in the mail, as y'all can see. This one is from the Pissed Off Barber. But before we actually jump into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Like this video, leave him a comment, share, you know, all that good stuff. But like I was saying, man, we got a box from the Pissed Off Barber, TPOB. Let's go ahead and open this. So y'all can see it, because I already opened it. You know, I'm nosy. But I already opened it, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all so y'all can see what's in it. So first thing is first, as y'all can see, it's kind of a big box. But first thing we see when we open this, TPOB magnetic mat. Let's go ahead and open this up so y'all can get a look at this. But check it out, man. We got the TPOB magnetic barber mat. Let me go ahead and get this tape out of here. Or I can just rip it. It's strong today. Check that out. Let's move this to the side. So as you can see here, it's a nice magnetic green slime color. So if you want to add this to your station, I don't know if it'll fit on mine. You know, it actually will fit. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it just yet. I ain't going to lie to you. I don't know if I'm going to use it. But y'all take that mat out, man. As y'all can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 magnets. Someone's calling me. Sorry for that interruption. But like I said, we got 6 magnetic mats there. So let's see how strong these magnets are. Pretty strong, as you can see. I got the clipper on there. It's holding up. Let's try a different one. And so as you can see, we got some pretty strong magnets on the magnetic mat. Clean that off, got a little bit of hair on there. We got 2 little parts right here that obviously when the mat is laying down, you can put your clipper, guards, combs, whatever you want to put, or you can put your clippers right there. So pretty cool from the Pissed Off Barber brand. Check that out once again. And one time for the one time, if you are interested in any of his tools, you can go to the website, thepissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code TANK. I think it's Tank. It may be Tank or Tank 10, but I'll make sure to put it right here, somewhere on the screen and the description for y'all. But let's go ahead and move this to the side. So in the box, we also got the TPOB X trimmer and the TPOB X clipper. If y'all been watching, if y'all been subscribed for a minute, you know I actually did a video on the TPOB X trimmer. He sent me the black one a while back. We're gonna wait. But like I was saying, we already did a video on the TPOB X trimmer before. He sent it to me in black, so now we got it in green. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the TPOB X clipper. So as you can see, it says 210 minutes of runtime, all metal body, XO graphene blade, 6,800 RPM brushless motors. Good thing about brushless motors, man, is most of them are quiet. So I'm excited to turn this on and see how it sounds, but let's continue to look at the box, see what it says on the back. Once again, high torque digital brushless 6,800 RPM motor, 2,930 mAh battery gives a 3.5 hour runtime. So that's a pretty good amount of time using the clipper. It's got 8 slime premium guards. So I'm gonna take these guards out. You know, I really don't use guards that come with clippers. I have my set of guards that I like to use, but we might check these out. All metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design, offering low noise level and our quietest performance yet. XO graphene fusion blade with deep tooth cutting blade. As you can see, we got the blade right there. But let's go ahead and open up this box, see what the clipper is actually looking like. All right, so as you can see, what comes in the box, we got the instruction manual, and you know, your boy never looks at that, so we'll chunk that over there. We got the clipper right here. Let's go ahead and take the clipper out. I know that's probably one of the reasons why y'all clicked on this video. So check it out, the TPOB X clipper, that nice slime green color. Let's see what blade we got on there. We got the XO graphene fusion blade. So as you can see, that's the blade. Looks pretty close, not 100% zero gap, but you don't need your tools 100% zero gap anyways. But let's go ahead and continue to look at the clipper. As you can see, we got the black blade. It says XO on it. Let's go ahead and open up that lever. So I don't know if y'all can see how much it stretches. Looks like it stretches more than the TPOB Troll. So it looks like it opens up a little wider. We do have the on and off switch right here. We got some grooves back here for your fingers. We got a thumb indentation right here. Hanging hook in case, you wanted to hang the clipper up. But let me go ahead and turn this on for y'all. That's what I was saying, man. That motor, super quiet. Really like this type of motor on clippers. So we're gonna run this thing up. We're gonna see what it does. But before we do that, let's finish looking at what comes in this box. So we also get this box. Inside of the box, let's go ahead and open this up. So we get a charging brick. We get a screwdriver. We get the charging cord, USB on one side, and obviously there we go, the little part that goes inside the clipper. This little brush that I don't think anyone uses, and if you do use it, you probably use it for enhancements, but you don't use it to clean the clipper or none of that. But let's check out these guards, man. Let's check out these guards. So check it out. These are the premium slime guards. Let me go ahead and open this baggie up. Let's just pull one of these guards out. So this is the number 3. Check it out. We got some nice durable plastic. It's not too rough or too hard. It's flexible, but it feels sturdy. And then we got these metal clips on there. That way the guard will stay on the clipper. Let's snap it on there. So it snaps right on just like that, as you can see. So I think it'll stay in place with this clip. Put it on properly, it's gonna stay on there. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So shout out to TPOB for these new guards in the guard system that he put into this clipper. I'm gonna grab the half guard. So check it out, this is the half guard. Looks a little longer than the half guard I use, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. Got the half guard on there. Doesn't get louder with the guard on there. Pretty dope, man. So yeah, man, that's basically what comes in this box. And then like I said, we do have the TPOB X trimmer that I already did a video on, but y'all can check it out right here. I'm just gonna unbox this real quick. 240 minutes of runtime, all metal body, Psycho graphene blade, 7,200 RPM brushless motor. So yeah, man, let's just go ahead and open this up. As you can see, let me show y'all this. It does come with the Psycho blade. That's the blade everybody's been going crazy over. So let's go ahead and open this, and I can show y'all what comes in this box in case y'all ain't seen it on my other video. All right, but check it out, man. Here is the trimmer. Turn this on for you. Nice quiet trimmer also. Psycho blade on it. Like I said, I'll leave the link for my unboxing of this trimmer down in the description so y'all can check that out. But without further ado, man, let me get the clipper real quick. All right, but once again, as y'all can see, we got the new TPOB X clipper and trimmer. We're gonna put these things to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it. Oh, I got the sauces. I see what it is, man. We're gonna take the TPOB X clipper. We're gonna give my man a taper, see how it goes through this semi-bulk taper. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's go. All right, we're gonna do a 2.5 on top. As you can see, mowing through that hair. Y'all seeing it. So y'all can see it knocked down the top pretty easily, pretty quickly. Nice and efficient so far. Now we're taking the sides down. All right, now we're gonna go in with the X trimmer. Like I said, I've already done a video on this trimmer, but I just wanted to show y'all, the clipper and trimmer set so y'all can see them things work in unison. And this trimmer is straight out the box, no zero gapping in case y'all are interested. All right, now I'm gonna actually start blending with the clipper. I'm gonna go through my same exact phase that I always do, but just so y'all can see this thing work. YouTube, as you seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new TPOB X trimmer and the TPOB X clipper. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all about the trimmer real quick, just in case you haven't seen my last video about it, but I will put the link down in the description so y'all check that out. But as y'all seen in the video, man, this trimmer is smacks, you know what I'm saying? Balls out well, lines up well, got good power to it, pretty quiet, you know what I'm saying? I do like this version of it just because it matches with the clipper that they sent me. The black one, same exact thing. It's a good tool, you know what I'm saying? I said in that video that I wasn't sure if it was gonna last long term, but it has been lasting. And the same thing with this one. Not sure if it's gonna last long term, but if the black one lasted for a good amount of time, I'm sure the green one's gonna do the exact same. And I just wanna say this on this video, that it has a lot to do with the Psycho blade. That's one of the blades that a lot of people have been talking about online, saying a lot of people are saying it's probably one of the best blades out. Now, I can't confirm nor deny these statements, but I will say it is a top blade, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, that's all I wanted to say about this trimmer. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the clipper. Now, turn this thing on, sounds super quiet. Really like the motor on this clipper. Really like the way it cuts. When it comes to cutting hair, it just glides through the hair. Debulking had no issues. I like the way it fades. It's just all around a good tool. One thing that was kind of different for me was the shape of it. When I was holding the clipper, it felt a little awkward at first, but that's something that I got over pretty quickly. And I did use this clipper on my boy Jay Blends a couple days ago, you know what I'm saying? We were at a barber battle in Lubbock, and I cut his hair for the event. And I was liking how it was working, man. Like I said, good tool. Like the blade on it, it's a good blade. The ergonomics may not be the best for me, but you know what I'm saying, that comes all based on preference. So some people may like it, some people may not. But once you get used to it, it's not a big issue at all. And just like the trimmer, as y'all can see, we do have hanging hooks on the clipper. That's nor a pro nor a con. I mean, I guess if you like hanging your tools, you can do that, but I don't think a lot of people really hang their tools anymore. But if you do, you know what I'm saying, it comes with that. The battery on this is solid, man. I want to say that I used this for a whole day, and I only had to charge it like towards the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? But I wasn't cutting all day. It wasn't like a whole day of me doing cuts all day long, but it did last a good amount of time in the shop while I was cutting with it. So the battery life on this thing is solid. And yeah, man, like I said, pretty dope clipper all around. It's a great tool. Now, one thing that I did have issues with was the guard system. Now, I know the guards are like really similar to like the wall guards, but I think out of all of them, the only one that I really didn't like the way it cut was the 0.5 guard. I feel that it's a little longer than my other 0.5 guards, my other half guards. So it was kind of an issue when it came to fading with that. But if you put like a wall guard on there or a Babyliss premium guard on there, you know, it had no issues. It's just this one guard. But other than that, I think the guard system's pretty solid. Not my favorite when it comes to like the feel of them. I would want them maybe a little more like, what's the word I'm looking for? A little more solid, a little more durable. But that's just me, man. I'm not saying that they're bad guards, because they're not bad guards. They're good guards. It's just me personally, I'm used to using the Babyliss premium guards, and to me, they just feel a little more sturdier. So that's why I said that I just wish these were a little more sturdier. But like I said, they work good. Guards fade well into each other. Only guard that I really had an issue with was that 0.5 guard. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you are interested in these tools, you can go to the website, thepissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code TANK, just in case you want to save yourself some money, you know what I'm saying? And I will put the link down in the description also. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.